To download APK applications or files into the Samsung S26 Ultra, let me quickly show you how it looks, for example, by using Huawei application. So we have to open the browser and input the name of the application that you are looking for and input APK phrase. But in my case, I don't need to because I can already find it on official Huawei website. Now, we have to just simply download this file by selecting some download or installation button on the website. In this case, I will be redirected for the app gallery. I have to click installation button one more time. And now, as you can see, I have to select download via browser. So now I have to click to download anyway, even though that file might be harmful. And now, as you can see, it was downloaded. So I can just simply open it. And here there is the permission required. So I have to click on the settings and allow my Google Chrome to install unknown apps. Now, if I do this, I have to click install. And now, as you can see, the unknown app blocked. And it's because the auto blocker. So it's located in the security and the privacy settings. So we have to just follow this, go for settings, security and the privacy, and turn off auto blocker. Now, as you can see, we have to go back and we have to just repeat this. So in this case, I have to go for downloads because this screen disappeared. I've got APK files. Select your file one more time. In this case, we have to grant permission for my files because we are picking this from the different application. Now, as you can see, we have to expand for the more details and click to install anyway. Now, as you can see, we have to click open and application was installed successfully. I hope you find that video useful.